all show up. What happened? Did the donut shop close? Officer Johnson, why do you look surprised? This is your first time being on time. Somebody promote the...
Ready to lose again, Featherball?
Oh, I took up to lose today. I came to serve. You caught me now. Don't embarrass yourself again.
Hey, officer, you roasted me before. But guess what? At least I don't need 3 cups of coffee just to look awake. At least I have a job. You're literally paid in fees.
No. What have I done? There's no sleep in the nightlight. The universe is telling me to stay single. What happened, Mr. Romantic Wings? Yesterday you were ready to buy a wedding cake. Isn't it? It was love. Today I realized marriage comes with responsibility. What if I forget our anniversary? What if